Most of you might have heard about this name, Napoleon Hill. He has written many books. He gave an interview to Napoleon Hill, and that interview was scheduled for about 15 minutes. Napoleon Hill had to ask questions to him, to Andrew Carnegie, who was the founder at that time, and who was the richest man also in 1908. And that 15 minutes interview went on till 7 to 8 hours. And after that 8 hours of interview, Andrew Carnegie told Napoleon Hill that I am still not done. There are so many things that I have to tell you more. So just go and have your lunch and come back again. We'll again start this interview. And that interview went on for 3 days. And after 3 days, Andrew Carnegie just gave him an idea. He just asked him that if I give you a job that for the next 20 years you have to work with the people to whom I tell you. And then you should write everything, whatever I have told you. You have to examine everything that I have told you. Will you be ready to do that? I won't pay you a single penny, but then it will be a wonderful opportunity for you. So Napoleon Hill at that time, within 10 seconds, he decided that a person like Andrew Carnegie who is giving me the opportunity like this, so should I ignore it? Absolutely not. So he immediately said, yes, I'll do that. Certain areas, and you have been hurt badly. Next time whenever you go to that area, the first thing that will come to your mind is yahi pe accident hua tha, and you will feel that pain. Why? Because your subconscious mind immediately releases that experience and it sends it to your conscious mind. Suppose if you have come for a public speaking and you fell there and people humiliated you. So next time if anybody will tell you come and speak here, you will never be able to go there because you already have that image in your mind. The first time I did, I could not do it. This is how your subconscious mind works. So the best way to do that is your autosuggestion, because your mind is automatically giving you autosuggestion. So how you can change that? By continuous affirmations. You can create your affirmations continuously. After creating your affirmations, you can start visualizing it.